and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this black and gold halo smoky eyes. I'm going to take you through all the steps, talk about brushes that you need, how well you need to blend and stuff like that. And also guys, thank you so much for showing all the love to my videos. It really means a lot to me. Those of you, just a reminder, those of you who've not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, and end of this video, if you enjoy the video, only then you can hit the like button. Yes guys, so let's get started with this video. For priming my eyelids, I'm using this concealer from Makeup Studio and applying it all over my eyelids all the way till my eyebrows. So for my crease, I'm using this color which is more like a burnt orange and going back and forth with that crease brush. And also I dipped my brush I think twice or thrice in that color because I really want a nice orangish color on my crease, because later on you'll see that we'll be using darker shades, so this color will actually fade away. So just wanted a nice good amount of this burnt orange color on my crease. So I'm quite happy right now how the crease is looking. So let's go on to our next step, which is taking a black gel liner. So I'm using a black gel liner from Maybelline, and with the help of this pencil brush, I am applying this gel liner on the inner corners and the outer corners. Right now I'm just applying this color. We'll be blending it with a different brush, so don't worry about how it's looking right now. Alright, so here comes the blending brush. I'm taking a flat blending brush for this, and now just blending it very gently on the outer corner and of course the inner corner as well. Don't take the color all the way inside to your lid. We want the center of our lid to be empty. We don't want the black color there. Just keep blending where it's placed, which is both the corners. That's about it. So now I'm extending this black color to my crease. So basically in halo eyes, the crease and both the corners, outer corner and the inner corner, are darker, and the center of the eyelid is a lighter shade. Now with the same brush, I am taking some black eyeshadow and applying it to just intensify this black color even more. So basically blending this shadow in the corners and the crease. So guys, this is how my eyes are looking after blending that black color. Next, I'm taking this concealer and a very tiny brush. I'm actually using a lip brush, but if you have the tiniest concealer brush, then use that. And now I'm applying this concealer at the center of our crease, basically cutting the crease, that's the technical term, and pulling this concealer down all the way to the center of our lid. Well, this will help in making our crease look much more sharper and well defined. Well, you will actually understand when you see the action. Guys, this is what I'm doing exactly. I applied the concealer just below that black color and right at the center of our lid. And don't worry if you end up spoiling your outer corner or inner corner in this step, because we'll be blending all this again. Yes, right now it looks like a little box in the center, but we'll take care of all this. We will be blending this many times. So I'm just showing you the other eye so that you guys can see what I'm doing exactly once more and don't get confused. Now I'm taking another flat blending brush and blending this brown color on my crease. Just going back and forth with that brush to create a nice blended effect. Now I'm blending the same brown color with the help of the same brush between the concealer and the black color that we have in both the corners. So this is what I'm doing, guys. Just see my action. So this will give a nice blended effect on the edges and it won't look like a box anymore. Going back with my crease brush and that burnt orange shade, I am reapplying that shade on my crease. Just blending it properly all over my crease, back and forth from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. Guys, can you see how well blended this crease looks right now? You can see the transition shades. It's like burnt orange, black, brown, everything is mixed together. Now I'm intensifying this black color even more by placing the black eyeshadow. Playing with black color can be really tricky, so you have to make sure that you blend everything very well. Blend, 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 blend till the time you're not happy, and I was literally blending this color for a very, very long time. I am not kidding. Okay, so finally it's time to apply that gold eyeshadow. So with a flat brush, I'm just applying it right at the center of my lid. Now for the last time, I am blending this brown color between the black and the gold eyeshadow. I promise you guys, this is the last time that we'll be blending this color. So by placing this brown color and blending it between the two colors, it is acting like a transition shade and it will help our edges look much more softer. Now very gently, I'm just patting some more gold right at the center to just make it look much more brighter. And I'm finally done, guys. Can you guys see the difference between the two eyes? So I am finally done, guys. This is the eye makeup that we need. So I'll quickly finish the other side and I'll be right back. So for highlighting the brow bone, I have taken a matte eyeshadow. You can completely go with a shimmer highlighter if you want to. I just wanted a matte one for this eye makeup look. So now I'm taking this black gel liner and oops, I took a lipstick brush. Alright, so here is my eyeliner brush. So just applying a very thin eyeliner, just basically lining my eyelids. I am not extending the liner at all. Okay, so here comes my lashes. Sorry guys, I'll have to do this off camera. It is so difficult to apply lashes on your own. Trust me. Alright, so after 10,000 attempts, I'm back with my lashes. And I just love how my eyes are looking right now. Alright, so what next? Okay, so let's start with the face makeup. I am using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige. For my foundation, I'm using MAC Studio Fix foundation. I love these foundation, guys. This is such an old school foundation. I love them. And I'm mixing two shades. Basically, I'm mixing shade NC35 and NC20. Setting my under eye concealer and foundation with Laura Mercier loose powder. Now I'm taking a pencil brush and applying the burnt orange and the brown shade under the lower lash line. And of course some mascara, don't forget that. for blush, I'm using this MAC blusher in shade Peachykeen. Alright, so finishing the look with this nude lipstick from Kat Von D. I will mention all the shades in the description box below. And we are done with our look, guys. What do you think about it? I think all that blending was worth it. Also, I'm completely loving this combination of black and gold eyes. I think it's such a beautiful combination. You can wear it for your date nights or any night event. You can even wear this with your Indian outfits. What do you guys think about it? Do let me know through your comments, and also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for showing all the love. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.